Hey guys, this is Shonin from Happy Miles, and today I'm going to talk about all the helmets that I've owned over the years of my bike riding experience. And so I'll start with the most unsafe ones. And if you see, this is the helmet, and you'll get it in the local market for about 300 bucks. And but yeah, at this price point, you can't expect more than that. So if you see the plastic, is film-free. If you hear the sound of it, and this particular thing that they call visor is not a visor at all, because it's like if you leave it up and no wind protection at all. So this is called a half helmet, I think. Yeah. So the next helmet that I'm going to bring you is better, has a better quality than that, but price point I don't know, because if you would believe it, Royal Enfield actually offered me this helmet with interceptor, so which goes about 140 kilometers per hour. So numerous wind blast, and it's not going to protect you from debris at all. The product quality is nice, like it's going to protect your head but not your face and everything, so it doesn't make any sense to own this particular helmet. So do not buy this helmet if you're like going in the market to buy an helmet. But yeah, if you're getting it for free, then you can use it, and you can use it for nearby markets and everything. So this is not recommended. Okay, so the next category of helmet that I've owned is the dual sport helmet. So this is the motocross helmet, and they call it motocross helmet or an off-roading helmet. Yeah, they are made sturdy and everything, but this is a brand Vega, and this is a good brand actually. But I've bought this 7 years before, and yeah, it's 7 years since I've owned this, and I've gone through many body changes and all from that point of time, and now it doesn't fit me at all. So it's loose now, but yeah, this good. The padding is good, really good, because if you see inside of it, the padding is really good. Like it's not going to like weather and all. Yeah, the wind blast, you'll get some wind blast above 70-80 kilometers per hour, but it's not meant for that. It's meant for city riding, and in the city, like especially in Kolkata, you can't do more than 60, because if you do and if there is a pothole around, you are going to just jump off your bike. So yeah, this is good for the cities and everything, but not good for the highway, because a lot of wind blast and everything. There is a chin protection as well, so upcoming debris will not hit you, and a lot of protection, but not that much. So next helmet that I've owned is this SteelBird Air helmet. So this particular helmet, this is called a full face helmet, and I bought this for my pillion actually, and not for me. So wind blast, then I saw that when I'm riding with this one, the wind blast protection is quite nice, and it is quite light also. So you know you can hang it around and everything. You can take it to some mall when you are going shopping. So this is good actually for the city also. And for the highway, I would say that if you are riding over 120 and 130, then it's of no use actually. Like it's not that strong, and it costs me about 1200-1300 bucks. So at that price point, you can't expect it to be much better than that. So SteelBird Air, it's good. So now I'll go to the last part of this video, or the last helmet that I'm going to show you, and this is the most safest helmet that I've owned. And I bought this after buying my new bike, and yeah, I would need this because this is the Axxor full face helmet, and this is quite nice. This has a matte finish, and I really like this color. So this cost me around 4,900 bucks. This is quite good actually, because the material is very good, and there is a pin lock system also, so no wind blast above 130, 140. I've ridden it on 160 also. There's a little wind blast at 160 because of the fitting, I guess, but not more than that. So this is good for highway riding. I have done like numerous kinds of rides. If you have seen my videos, I don't know, but if you see my videos, I've done all those rides on this particular helmet, and this is good. If you see the padding inside, this is also good and soft, and this particular thing, this is called the intercom, and I have used it for around 2.5 years, and the fit is quite good for the intercom, and yeah, you can do all sorts of things on this particular helmet. So next I'm going to talk about the future helmet that I'm going to own. That will be a modular helmet. The only category of helmet that I have not owned yet. So as and when I'll own it, I'll just do some rides and then I'll produce a video. That's all for today. So meet you in my next video.